I made $600 my first month in sales. Then I learned these 4 brutal truths that most people never figure out. Now I bring in multiple millions of dollars every single year. If you're struggling to break through, this is for you, because what I'm about to share is going to change everything. So pay attention and grab a pen. Here's what nobody tells you about success. The people who make it aren't smarter than you. They're not more talented than you, but they understand 4 things that average people refuse to accept. And today I'm gonna break down each one because your breakthrough is closer than you think. Most people think success is about working harder. That's wrong. Success is about understanding how growth actually works and how to use pain, focus, and the right people to get there faster. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Truth number 1, pain isn't your enemy. Pain is your teacher. When I first started in sales, I was getting destroyed every day. 50 rejections, 50 no's, 50 people hanging up on me. I wanted to quit every single morning. But here's what I discovered. Every rejection was building something inside of me. Confidence, resilience, skills. Think about it like this. When you lift weights, your muscles have to tear before they grow. When you're building a business, you have to fail before you succeed. The pain you're feeling right now isn't punishment, it's preparation. Most people run from discomfort. Winners understand that discomfort is the price of admission to greatness. You can't want an extraordinary life and then choose ordinary comfort. These two things don't work together. So the next time you're hurting, remember this, that pain is building the version of you that can actually handle what you want. Truth number 2, you can celebrate your wins, but you can never get comfortable. I remember my first big month in sales. I was excited, I was grateful, but I wasn't done, because here's what I learned. The moment you get satisfied is the moment you stop growing. That's the difference between being happy and then being lazy. Happy means you appreciate where you are. Satisfied means you're done trying to get better. I had someone ask me recently, Tommy, why do you still push so hard? Here's why. The work changes you more than the results do. When I wasn't working towards something, I was miserable. When I'm working, I'm stressed, but I'm alive. You're going to struggle either way. You might as well struggle while building something great. Now be grateful for your progress, but never be satisfied with where you are. There's a difference there. Truth number 3, most people want to see you fail, not because they're evil, but because your success reminds them of their excuses. When you decide to build something great, average people will try to keep you average. They'll say, be realistic. Hey man, that's too risky. You should slow down. You should just be grateful. Here's what changed everything for me. I stopped listening to people who weren't where I wanted to be. Your broke friends, they can't give you money advice. Your unhappy friends can't give you life advice. Your unsuccessful friends can't give you success advice, so stop listening to them. Listen to people who are closest to your goals, not people who are closest to you. I know this is hard. Your critics are gonna die someday. Their opinion won't matter then. And it doesn't matter now either. Truth number 4, focus isn't about doing more things. Focus is about doing fewer things better. Most people think they need to try everything at once. Cold calling, social media, networking, referrals. Then they wonder why nothing works. Here's the reality. Any of those strategies will work, but none of them will work unless you focus on one. Think about building a ladder to get over a wall. If you build 4 short ladders, none of them reach the top. But if you take all that energy and build one ladder, you're going to get over. I've seen people destroy good businesses because they got bored. They wanted to start something new instead of making what they had great. Focus is about the number of things you say no to. The most successful people do the fewest things outside of their main thing. Pick one strategy, then master it, then move to the next. These 4 truths took me from making $600 to bringing in millions of dollars every single year. But here's what's crazy. Most people know these truths. They just don't apply them. They want the results without paying the price. Now they want the growth without the pain. They want the focus without the sacrifice. But success doesn't work that way. You have to choose comfort or growth, excuses or results, average or extraordinary. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now. Will you apply these truths or ignore them? Will you do the work or make excuses? The choice is yours. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe. And if you're ready to take this to the next level, text me at 480-989-4133. I'll personally help you apply these truths to your situation. Your breakthrough is waiting. Now let's go get it.